So I mentioned this before but didn't write it down. If we want to find the y-coordinate of the vertex, we plug the x value into our y equals. Because it's y equals, so when we plug in the x, we'll get the y. Okay, so let's try this. All right, so vertical lines have the equation x equals a number. That's our axis of symmetry. So for each of these forms, let's figure out our axis of symmetry and the vertex. So in this form, I've got standard form. So I'm going to use x equals negative b over 2a. So my x value is going to be negative 3 over 2 times 2. That's positive 3 over 4. My y value is going to be 2 times 3/4 squared minus 3 times 3/4 plus 5. I'm just going to use my calculator. Excuse me. The easiest way to do that, I'm going to take my 3/4 and store that as the letter a. And so then I'm going to do 2a squared minus 3a plus 5. And I'll get that my y value is 3.875. So my vertex is 3/4. That's the same as 0.75, comma 3.875. And my axis of symmetry is x equals 0.75. All right, here I have vertex form, so I can see straight away my vertex is positive 4, positive 3, opposite sign, same sign. So my axis of symmetry is x equals 4. Here I have standard form, but it's arranged funny. So I can rearrange this to be negative 2x squared plus 1x. Now I can say that my x is going to be equal to negative b over 2a. So that's positive 1/4. This is my axis of symmetry. It's also the x-coordinate of my vertex. So I'm going to come back, and now I've got negative 2 times x squared, so negative 2 times 0.25, that's the same as 1/4 squared, plus x, and I get 1.25. So I did negative 2 times 0.25 squared plus 0.25 and got my 0.125. So my vertex is 0.25 and 0.125. So if I'm going to use 1/4, then I should make them both fractions or both decimals.